Do you think sending thousands of cold email every single day is possible with a higher deliverability and open rate? I think it's possible. You just have to go through some steps, you have to follow some rules if you want to actually send 1,000 cold email every single day with a higher deliverability and open rate. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how you can send thousands of cold email every single day with your Doplac.com account with a higher deliverability and open rate. So first thing first, if you want to actually start your cold outreach campaign, if you want to send thousands of cold outreach every single day with your Doplac.com account, first thing you have to make sure that you have enough inbox provider. We have around 30 to 50 sending limit per inbox provider. So it's pretty much simple that if you want to send more email, more call outreach, then you need more inbox. Expert says 50 is the safe zone, but if you want to get higher deliverability, more open rate, then keep your sending limit at 30 for per inbox provider. So it will help you to get more open rate and land more in inbox folder. When you have inbox, make sure all of your inboxes are connected to your Doplac.com account. And another one more important things that before start using your inbox provider for sending cold outreach campaign, you have to make sure that all of your inboxes are properly warmed up. And I would suggest you to actually warm up your every single inbox at least 3 to 4 weeks before start using the inbox, and keep the warm up going on while you are actually using the inbox provider inbox to send your cold outreach campaign. So when you're done with your inbox and warm up all the things, then you have to just design your cold outreach campaign with all the inbox. So I'm gonna design a cold outreach campaign. I would love to send more than 30 email or around 500 or 1000 email every single day. So what I have to do, I have to just choose all the inbox providers that connected to my account at this moment. So I have 3 inbox providers at this moment connected to my Doplac.com account. So I have chose 3 of them. That's mean if I set the sending limit 30 or if I send the sending limit 50 for each inbox provider, I would be able to send 150 cold email every single day. But as I mentioned earlier, that 50 is a safe zone, but 30 is the best practice if you want to get a higher deliverability and open rate. So I'm going to change my sending limit to 30. And if you need any help how to connect your inbox provider to your Doplac.com account, I'm going to add a video to the I button or in the description below, so you can find out. We have made several videos about how you can connect your several inbox provider to your Doplac.com account. And another one, if you want to know how to set your daily sending limit, we also have a dedicated video about how to actually set your daily sending limit. Okay, I have set my daily sending limit for each inbox provider 30. That's mean I have 3 inbox provider at this moment. I would be able to send 90 email every single day. Now you might be wondering how actually Doplac will choose which inbox provider should choose and how it will be work. It's called actually inbox rotation feature. Doplac will choose an inbox provider, it will send 30 email, and one after one it will choose one after one inbox provider and will keep sending 30 email from each inbox. So that's mean if you have 10 inbox provider and you are sending 30 email from each inbox, so you'd be able to send 300 email every single day with a high deliverability without harming your domain reputation and without landing more in spam. This is the very simple way how you can actually send thousands of cold email every single day with a higher amount of deliverability and open rate. And want to check out Doplac.com features? Just sign in because it's completely free until June 1st, 2024. This is the great opportunity. You can utilize Doplac and see how it can help you to grow your agency, while it's designed to help digital agencies to grow faster.